Hello, my beautiful people. Thank you for visiting Docents DigitalesTV. In this video, we're going to do the feedback session for the previous video. If this is your first time here, I recommend watching the previous video where we talked about why the Statue of Liberty hold a torch. Now, let's put your knowledge to the test with some questions. Does the torch of the Statue of Liberty symbolize enlightenment and hope? Yes, the torch represents enlightenment, knowledge, and hope. Was the torch designed only as a decoration with no specific purpose? No, the torch was originally intended to function as a lighthouse. Did the torch successfully operate as a lighthouse for many years? No, it never worked properly due to engineering challenges. Was the torch damaged in 1916 after an explosion? Yes, an explosion at a nearby munitions depot damaged the torch. Can visitors still go inside the torch today? No, since 1916, the torch has been closed to the public. Was the original torch replaced in 1986? Yes, a new torch covered in 24-karat gold leaf was installed in 1986. Did the Statue of Liberty's torch help guide ships into the New York harbor? Yes, that was the original idea, but it didn't work as planned. Does the golden torch reflect sunlight during the day and shine at night? Yes, the gold leaf allows the torch to shine brightly. Did immigrants see the torch as a symbol of hope and a new beginning? Yes, for millions of immigrants, the torch represented freedom and opportunity. Is the Statue of Liberty's full name Liberty Enlightening the World? Yes, that is the official full name of the statue. Remember to watch this video multiple times to reinforce your learning. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay updated with the next videos in this amazing series on learning English and American culture. See you in the next adventure